Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm making a tutorial about how to transfer money from PayPal to Mpesa. Kenya uses Mpesa. Mpesa is a payment method. It's a reliable payment method that so many people are using it. It's now all over East Africa. And Mpesa is a mobile payment method that is you just get somebody's phone number and you're able to send the cash and they'll be able to receive. So today's tutorial is PayPal has accepted Mpesa, since Mpesa has a platform that is called Mpesa Global, where you will be able to withdraw cash globally anywhere via Mpesa. Mpesa is very famous in East Africa. So today we are going to I can see the available balance is 57.3. These other balance is on hold $232. So that one we cannot be able to work with it. We will come here one on one. We'll try to withdraw this $57. We'll come here and type PayPal to Mpesa. We'll use this link, the first link, which is PayPal to Mpesa mobilemoney.com. PayPal money mobilemoney.com. Then once we click on it, we'll come here. This is a platform where we'll be able to withdraw cash. We'll just come here and say login. Once we log in, it will log in to our linkage where we are supposed to withdraw cash. It's telling me log in to via PayPal. One thing, for this one to work, you must have logged in your PayPal, so you must have logged in your PayPal so that once you open this website, it will be able to retrieve data and be able to log in, since it uses the same email. So let us follow the process and withdraw that cash. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. I can see I'm facing a challenge of Wi-Fi. The system will be logging just in a few moments. It is logging in with PayPal. Since what Mpesa did, they requested an API from PayPal for the two payment methods to interlink. We now see in this platform we can be able to withdraw cash from PayPal to Mpesa, and also top up from Mpesa payment method to PayPal. That is why we can see here the image shows it is two-way traffic. Any of the two can work. So we'll come here and say withdraw from PayPal. Once we see here, we can see the PayPal balance. PayPal balance 57.3 is now reflecting here. We'll just come and enter the whole amount. Once we enter the whole amount, I'm sure in 2 hours span, we'll be having the cash in the mobile. We say continue to withdraw. This time we are withdrawing from PayPal to Mpesa. Mpesa is a mobile payment method famous in East Africa. We can see the 57.3 US dollars. Your transaction will be processed in the next 2 hours. The amount to be received is 5,697. The fixed rate that PayPal will be trading with Mpesa is $1 at 99.35 Kenya shillings. So we'll say that at that fixed rate is okay. We confirm. Once we confirm, your withdrawal has been successfully recorded and will be drawn within the next 2 hours. You receive an SMS confirmation once the funds reach your Mpesa. You can check your status of transaction on the history page. I can have already, my phone has already reflected. I am sure now the cash has already withdrawn. Once we refresh here in the PayPal balance, I will find that there is a transaction that has been credited to the PayPal. We can see the balance is at 0. Now these are the transaction details. In the next 2 hours, I can see $57.34 has been withdrawn. It has been withdrawn to my phone number. I already can see SMS is telling me that in the next 2 hours I'll be able to withdraw. Then we will PayPal, to ensure PayPal for security purpose. PayPal will send will have to send an email. They will have to send yeah, we can see PayPal. You have authorized payments to Dunes. Dunes is the company that is a brokerage company that assists withdraw from PayPal to Mpesa. I can see you authorized a payment of $57.3 to this. Your funds will be transferred when the merchant processes your payment. So we'll have to wait. So the unit will the cash will be drawn to my phone number, which is $57.3 quantity. It's only one transaction, and I'm sure East Africa is making good trends with these PayPal to Mpesa. PayPal to Mpesa is very reliable. Yeah, yeah. So let us get back to it. Get back to it, and I think we are good to go. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Imagine that. Oh, Ini nyoni udah discourage kata sinoga gahe kod mieli itu. Nyoni udah digo kod distract. Digere kod nyoni de. Digere kod no kono le di on ndake withdraw. Mangita. No niki murare ma ko withdraw. Nini nyoni de doli ko niki nande le kire ko doni andi kala. Ah, ni kono na ya. This is Mary related. Mary geta related. Tigeta gore ko. Asa, uno da kono go. No ginyo ga ito kaya dito mo ni ga ko nanti kaya daksa dia dai ko mo mai. No ginyo ga ko no. Sini dai wada dai ko nega. Kaya na ini nyari do go ni do le kan kaya udah ni nyoni le. Ni nyoni do na jo buti do le ko ga di ko ga ta ko ga di da wo di srapi. Iyo mo kia di le dari hari. Ini kaya tira. Karena dona noti. Ah, iya. Ini nyoni le, itu jadi no hadis rapi. Ya ben ku recorded. Dia kira dona hadis rapi. Dona dia ku kuira. Dona ne video ko ko kena ko hadis rapi. Dona dala oke, dala ku kuira hari. You know you have to struggle with content. Siaje. Record mo. Dala shikana. Dada kuma 4 yote 5 yote. Kenapa dah Hajatoa hiyo my brother and sister. Kadisha shia na special brother shia. Ai kadeno tale ho.
Dia kwa hiyo kandi tayabele matarifa bila kabisa. Ndi tayabele maruta ruburu. Ini dia juga